YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back with another video in JD Nation. What's down with it, man? Today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I'm doing an updated trimming video, hair trimming video, man. A lot of people been asking me how often do I trim my hair? Do I even trim my hair? Yes, I do trim my hair. I usually do it like every 2 to 3 months, you know, on average. It's been a while since I've trimmed my hair, since last year, so it's been about 3 months. So it's about time for that annual trimming. So it's nothing special to it. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I do it. Of course you need scissors. How I do it, I twist my hair and then I wait till I get all the way to the end, and then I just clip the excess hair. I don't cut a lot off, so for y'all that think I may be cutting like all my hair off, nah, I don't do that. I just cut like the little excess or extra hair that's far away from the rest of the hair, if that makes sense. I don't know. Tried to make that make sense as best as I could, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'll be trimming like about a good inch. I don't know, about a good inch. I don't really measure it, but it will be coming down a little bit. So if y'all notice a difference, let me know. So yeah, with that being said, I ain't gonna talk too much longer. Gonna get right into the video, let y'all check it out, see how I do it. Like I said, I twist it and then I cut it. That's basically all I do, man. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started, man. So if y'all didn't notice, I did wash my hair before. I'm actually doing this, so because I haven't washed it in like a week and a half. So I washed my hair like a week and a half to a week. So wait till then. So for y'all that have been asking me, there's your answer. All right, so now, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess I'm gonna just work my way to the front. Yeah, so we're just gonna start from back here, work to the front, and I'm gonna do it like that. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and do like one on the side so y'all can see what I'm doing. Actually doing, well, I said that backwards, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one first, let y'all see what I'm actually doing, and then I'm just gonna get started with the rest of my head, man. So, all right, so basically all I'm really gonna be doing is just retwisting my hair and then trimming it at the end once I get all the way down to the end. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and break it down real quick, break it down. Y'all see, this is what I basically do. Normally I would just do it from like right here, take it down from right here and then retwist it and then snip. But since I haven't washed my hair and my hair has gotten a lot frizzier since the last time I twisted, I'll go ahead and do the whole strand, and it'll be better for the video so y'all can see how I do it all the way through. So yeah. All right, so just break it down a little bit, break it down. Go ahead and, where's my comb? Just go ahead and comb it out real quick. Don't mind my comb. This comb works, bro. Don't mind it, but yeah, all I do is just comb it out real smooth, nice and easy. You did. And this process is a lot easier since my hair is wet, so it's gonna make this whole process a whole lot easier. So yeah, so just comb it out like so. What I'm doing, I'm just getting all the hair from a root, not the root, but from my scalp, pulling it up, but not pulling it up, but make sure it's lined up with the rest of my hair, so it can get the actual length. Y'all see, bam. Ooh, okay, I'm just playing, but okay, got that one done. Now it's time for this one. It's a real easy process. It don't take me no time to do it. Probably like an hour and a half to 2 hours max, depending on how fast I go. I go slow, so it may just take me 2 hours, like so. All right, and then I just add a little bit of hair product since I washed it out a little bit. The Africa's Best. Sheen. Yeah, dig on Sheen, man. Put some of that in there. Let it marinate. And now I'm ready to twist. I'm probably fast forward most of this stuff, like the twisting part too, cause it's gonna take a long, well, not a long time, but just to cut the video a little bit shorter. Yeah, I ain't even gonna lie, I was procrastinating doing this video all day, but I was like, I gotta get something to my folks. promised y'all last week that I was gonna get y'all something, depending on how long this video takes to edit. It may be up on Saturday. Well, yeah, it should be on Saturday at the latest. So if y'all watching this on Saturday, what's up? This is just a demonstration portion, so y'all getting all my talking out the way, so I ain't gotta say much during the video. Getting down to the end, as y'all see how thin it is, like right here. That's the stuff I'm gonna cut off, like right here, cause it's real thin right there. So yeah, a good little amount coming off. So y'all ready? Here we go. Woo. You did. I'm gonna just curl it up. Do it like that. There we go. It's done. Like so. Alright. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing throughout this process. Go ahead and knock this on out. Fast forward it. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Just a starter, pop 2 cups of purple, just a warm up, 2 cups drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water, splash, drink, splash, slippery, excuse me, please me, arm up, believe me, get me, cause I'm flexing Rari's, you can bet on me, tater top, niggas on my radar watch. Turn on some data shots. Iced out watch. Ride round 10 o'clock. Ride round, keep the damn thing. 3 o'clock, 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I'm gon' pop. If I don't, I'm back to the box. I got bras, big bills, big arms. Stomach gun, come out and play, let's have fun. Big scales, fish scale, big weight. Iceberg, ice tray, plug call. Try to front, I don't need it. Pocket strong, person need me strong. Get freezing, young nigga, pay your deeders. Grandma, Auntie Epic, Auntie Nisa, Uncle Bo, Auntie Greta, Surrey Perkins, Auntie Eva. She got a pound, she might just serve it. Pop a perky, just a starter. Pop 2 cups of purple, just a warm up, 2 cups drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drink, splash, slippery, excuse me, please me, arm up, believe me.
Alright, so just want to properly end off this video, man. It's been like 3 days after I actually filmed what y'all just watched, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't have time to film an outro or nothing like that because I had to go right after that. But anyway, just want to give y'all a little like look at it, a little closer look at it. Hold up. Why is my camera so low? But yeah, as y'all see, look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh, the ends is trimmed, you see? Yeah, like I said, I ain't cut that much off, but it's noticeable. You know what I'm saying? Here you go. Bow. And yeah, I don't want to take it down because, you know what I'm saying, got it in this ponytail, but not ponytail, but y'all know what I mean. But yeah, just a little knot or whatever. But yeah, just wanted to go ahead and end out this video the right way, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're new, you like what you see, go down, hit the subscribe button. Once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good vibes only, 454. Be on the lookout for more info about the releases and stuff, man. I got some stuff coming up for the summer, and be on the lookout for the long-awaited Valentine's Day V2 collection, because it's coming, you know what I'm saying? Like I said in my past videos, but my previous videos, the whole collection will be on sale when it drops, so y'all get everything in that collection on sale, some money off the product that y'all buy, man. So yeah, be on the lookout for all that stuff, man. Still getting things worked out with all that, man. It's coming soon, bro. Trust me. And yeah, with that being said, I think that's it. Let me see, is that it? Be on the lookout for a twist out video. You know what I'm saying? An updated twist out video. It will be coming soon, man. So I know y'all been asking about a twist out video. It's coming. Just to show y'all how my hair looks when it's twisted out now. I haven't done a twist out or braid out since last year. Sometime last year or something like that. Sometime in the beginning of the year. One of those two, I think. But yeah, I haven't seen my hair out of like braids or two-strand twists in like 2 months. So I'm very excited to see how my hair looks since then. If it's grown or not, man, we gonna see. So be on the lookout for that video, man. So yeah, I think that's it. So now with that being said, it's your boy, NateJustDope, signing out. Deuces.
I'm off this one.
I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to music thing. But we all so small now.